Hey everybody, it's Adam, PC Clerk Computers and Games. Thought we'd do another unboxing video of a board game I recently got. And that game is from Blue Orange Games. It's for 8 years old and up for 2 to 4 players. The name of the game is Blue Lagoon. Flip the back of it. There was some damage on it on the bot, but I got it for a pretty good price. It normally sells for 30 bucks. I got it for less than that. Excuse me. So it's basically like you're trying to settle different islands. Let's take a look at the components. Or take the lid off of it. That's kind of cool. Anyway. Alright. Nothing in the lid. Oh, it was made in China at facility 015. Sounds like Hangar 18 type stuff right there. Anyway, you get the rule book, of course. You got a game, you gotta have rules. I like it. The rules are full color, very illustrative. Very illustrative, very illustrative. It's nice. You got your standard counters. I guess these would be the different tribes people. I guess you have what, the magenta tribe, the blue tribe. Am I blue? Anyway, the yellow tribe and the orange tribe. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. You know, a lot of pictures seem to be kind of off-center, but, you know, I'm not one to nitpick at stuff, so I'm going to let that go. And here you have the game board map. Let's see what this one is here. Let's see how this looks. Oh, it's hexagons, too. That's kind of cool. Can you see the hexagons there? I don't know if you can see them from far away or whatever. Go. Am I even holding this right side up? I don't even know if I'm holding this right side up. Excuse me. Here we go. There's no orientation or anything like that on this. Giggity. So, oh look, you got a little flock of birds flying over that one hexagon right there. Isn't that sweet? Again, the board is real nice. It's really illustrative, colorful. It looks like islands. It doesn't look like just green blobs on a board or anything like that. It's nice. They put a lot of work into this. It's pretty cool stuff. And here is some type of, I guess, scoring pad or something like that. It's double-sided. Okay, so you get the most out of what you got here. It's kind of neat. Reminds me kind of like a Yahtzee pad if you ever played Yahtzee, right? We got a little drawstring bag here to remind you what game you're playing. And also, I guess, to hold all the components and stuff. Or, you know, whatever else you might want to hold. And you got, let's dump them out on the table here and I'll show you a closer look of them. Here we go. You got these things here. They look kind of like, almost like Hershey Kisses or something, I guess. Smurf houses. That's what they look like. They're Smurf house. That is so cool. They are Smurf houses. If you ever want to make a Smurfville, oh my god, they are. Look at the door. I guess they're little huts or something like that. I was just kidding around. I was like, if you ever want to make a model Smurf village or whatever, just buy Blue Lagoon and use that. But I mean, holy crap, I was right. Sorry guys, I was just messing around, to tell you the truth. I didn't know they had doors on them. You know, or stickers at our doors, or those must be stickers or something, right? No, those are actually cut into the wood too. Those aren't little cheap stickers, man. They actually cut a little bit into the wood to make the door. That's so cool. Anything under the bottom tray there? Nope, nothing. And then we have the other counters here, which I'll put these back in the bag. La 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 la. Here we go. And here we have crap. It says do not eat. We won't eat it, don't worry. I guess these are like resources or something. What is this? This is like meat. This is like wood, I guess. Or forest, fruit, something like that. I don't know. We're gonna have to do an actual demo of this game. These components are, I feel like they're actually made out of wood, not like plastic or anything like that. I don't know. Let me check them out. Yeah, they're made out of wood. You can see the grain on the end of the cut here. I don't know if you can see that on camera or not. Hope my nails aren't that kerflunky. Anyway. Pretty cool stuff. You know. So, I'm going to put these in the bag here too. Here we go. Make sure we don't lose any, drop any, anything like that. Drawstring it, close it. You're playing Blue Lagoon, says so right there in the bag. See? There we go. So that's pretty cool. So we're gonna have to do a demo of this game. So oh look, yeah, there's little huts right there, little Smurf houses, I guess, or something. I might get an extra copy of this game just for the houses. Make a Smurf village or something. That is so cool. All right. Well, you know. You never know. You being a smart butt on a video, and it turns out that that you're right in some way. So okay, all right. Again, this is Blue Lagoon by Blue Orange Games. A really cool game, real quality made components. I know I joke around a lot, but these components are really well made. It's not cheap plastic. Of course, the counters are cardboard. I mean, you're not going to get around that. But the actual components, like the huts and the other, I guess, resource counters and stuff, are actually made out of wood. It's really nice to see something like that. If anybody's ever played this game, leave me a comment. I want to know how it plays. Alright? We'll be coming back with another box opening to another board game. And I will see you at that time.